Do you have extreme daytime grogginess, no matter how long you slept the night before? Having trouble concentrating or remembering details? Have you been accused of loud snoring? If so, it's possible you suffer from sleep apnea. What is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea occurs when you temporarily stop breathing when you're sleeping. Your brain becomes starved for oxygen, causing you to gasp for breath, essentially choking yourself. This can happen repeatedly throughout the night without you even being aware of it. What's worse, those suffering from sleep apnea are likely to cut off 8 years or more from their life. Sleep apnea is a serious health condition. Only a prompt diagnosis and treatment will have you back on the road to optimal health and performance. How do you know if you're suffering from sleep apnea? If you have any signs or symptoms of sleep apnea, call us for a consultation immediately. We look forward to serving you at Suwanee Dental Care, located at 4355 Suwanee Dam Road, Suwanee, Georgia 30024. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 770-614-7300.